Hi guys, you are watching OIT Center and this is a very quick video. In this video I will guide you how you can upgrade or install Windows 11 over the old machine or Windows 10 machine. So let's start the video. And first of all, we have to go on to the Chrome browser, and then we have to type Windows 11 download. So you have to go onto the official website of Microsoft. Always download official and genuine Windows. So download Windows 11. After that, you have to scroll down it. Then you have to select Windows 11 Multi Edition. Select the language. And then finally you have to click onto the download. Downloading will be start instantly, but I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. So let's go on to the let's navigate the ISO. It is inside the download folder. Then we have to cut it, and then we have to go inside the C drive. We have to create one folder. Give the name Win11, paste the ISO here, and then you have to extract all files in order to get a setup file. So once it is extracted, you will have a setup file. Then you have to open the command line, run as administrator. Then you have to navigate the folder. dir. So now you have the setup file. Now the file are being extracted, so it would take a little time. Once it is done, then we will proceed. Now we have to type the command setup space / product server, and once you type the command, then installation wizard will be appeared in front of you. You can see that. So it is recommended to keep this option mark. In order to save time, I'm going to select not right now. Next. Now you have to accept the license. Accept. Keep files and settings and apps as it is, because we are going to upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11 without any data loss and without any USB. So finally we have the install Windows 11, and then we have to click onto the install, and installation will be started in front of you. So once it is done, I will be back. It would take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes depending on your RAM and processor speed. Once it is done, I will be back. So we have successfully installed our latest Windows 11, and you can see that by keeping all the data same and without USB. So we have successfully installed the Windows 11, and it is working absolutely fine and perfect. So guys, hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest videos as early as possible. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Kindly forward to your family and friends. Stay safe and subscribe my channel. Thank you.